more than it's something that you probably would have nurtured along as a kid. It comes down, it just gets passed down from generation to generation. I mean, you would have seen some uncle, having been there, or your cousin, or some of your friends, seniors, who would have, gone there. So it more often than not, gets passed on from generations, especially when I'm talking about USA. I mean, I've had students, in my experience, all these days, there have been students who just don't want to look at any other, countries. The reason is simply because, they associate going abroad with USA. So it's kind of synonymous that, going abroad, if it's going abroad, then it has to be USA. Okay. Then you can call it either, peer pressure, or, it could be, coming from their parents, or it's just a feel good factor. And it's been there. Again, if you look at it from the expert point of view, then, it would be more of, the language barrier not being there. Okay. And of course, the after effect of it all, them settling down and then, getting a, a good earning, job, the career opportunities after that. So, and it's more a welcoming country. So far, as you see, there have not been, so many problems there as such with students, and students find it a safer destination as such. So, I think it's more to do with, the whole aura that has been set apart. And of course, the top universities, nobody can, deny the fact that you have the world's best universities there, like, your MITs, the Stanfords and the Cornells and Columbias, which, give, world-class education infrastructure-wise as well. So I think these, as a student, these would, lure me and attract me much more than any other destinations. So, and if you look at it from the technical point of view, I mean, this is on the surface, okay, very superficially. But if you were to look at technically, then students would get the best of the research facilities. I mean, if they're looking at, furthering their education, then definitely, best research facilities in terms of the funding, the kind of infra that they get, and the guides and the advisors that they get. Secondly, being a student, the most important factor that I've realized while studying there is the flexibility. I mean, you are not bound to a particular set of courses like what we have here, and that's a marked difference. I mean, I think this is one thing that students really need to be aware, where a student has to take a pre-decided number of courses during the course of his degree, but he or she is free to decide how he takes them, in with what manner he wants to take it. He also can basically he's flexible to choose a certain number of courses from different departments as well, if these are interrelated. So that flexibility